I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today I'm doing the Timpano TPT-EQ7. I ran this in the truck for like 2 years or so. It was a good product, whatnot. Of course, I took everything out of the truck to redo it or whatnot, or how I was gonna do it. But I did a review. I got a link. I'll leave a link down below for the so you can see the other video or whatnot. So definitely check that out. But I think it came in around like 50 bucks or something like that. I can't really remember exact cost on it, but it's very affordable. I used it for my back stunt wall. I actually had one for the indoor speakers in the doors as well, but mainly for my back stunt wall. I had a DSP. I ran into the DSP first, and then I used the EQ to tweak the sound on every song. Like if it had like if it was a certain way, I could tweak it and just make it the way I wanted it. But definitely, you want to mount this thing. You could just leave it sitting out if you wanted to, but I don't think I would want to do that. But I had like a little radio box. I got it in, and that's what I use in order to house it or whatnot, if you want to call it that. But I had like 4 of these. The PRV makes one now as well, but I had these before the PRV ones came out. But I don't actually have it in the box at this moment, but I do have all 4 of these. And like I said, I'll leave a link down below. Y'all can check it out. But it's to tweak the sound for for different songs on the go, whatnot. But it has like what does it have? It's the subwoofer output or whatnot, the auxiliary end and the main end, and you got your front and rear or whatnot. It's very, very easy to use. So you don't have to be an expert or nothing like that. But I'm just saying, 'cause I know I'm not an expert. But definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Just a quick look. I guess you might want to call it overview. I don't know if that's the word. I don't know. But I'm gonna leave the link down below for y'all to check it out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.